31 years old from the United Kingdom, came for a hair transplant. I was a little bit skeptical about going to certain clinics, but Erkam, Caymaz and Mr. Amir, they just made me feel correct and safe. They wanted to do a safe procedure, gave me a total amount of grafts they were going to use. No over harvesting, the doctor was there the whole time, he looked over the operation. It was great. I was expecting, well, you know, he asked me what hairline I wanted, and he said the Drake one would suit me, so he gave me the box with the Drake line and full coverage. It's 4,500 grafts, you know, temples filled in, hairline lowered. I can't complain, man. I'm feeling good, you know. I don't drink, I'm a healthy man. No bleeding at the back of the donor area. Everything's settled in, taken well. Just have a consultation with the man about, you know, cleaning it after. So I'm all right, man. Big shout out to Dr.Erkam, Caymaz, Mr. Amir, and everyone that works at this clinic. Best in Istanbul. Remember, I told you that now. Remember, 2 point speaking. Yes.
Thank you.